Muthenya urakite ta iria ingi no ta thaa 1:30 rucine mutino uroneka cukuru-ini ya muthingi ya Jamhuri kaunti-ini ya Naikuru. Ngari ya mwarimu iragutha arutwo eri na muciari wake umwe. Kwa mutino, Belvin Chelagat ndanahonoka thutha wa kuguthwo ni ngari yo muthemba wa Toyota Fielder.
A class 1 pupil was run over by a teacher's vehicle and unfortunately passed on arrival at the hospital.
Riboti ya gikuo kia muruto ucio na kugurara kwa nyina na muruto ungi umwe ni racungiriire kieha na maithori thukuru-ini na muci kwao mwena wa Sachangwan Molo. Kuratuika mutino ucio uronekire thutha wa ndereba gukinyiriria maguta handu ha bureki cia ngari. Afithaa wa githomo na ikuru ya irathiro Clarice Moita uria wikirite ndeto ino mukonde augite borithi ni mambikite uthuthuria wa mutino ucio.
The traffic department who came and took the details, and later the vehicle was towed to the police station and the teacher went and recorded a statement with the police.
Mtoto huyu wetu ana miaka 7.5 na alikuwa ni mtoto ambao anapendwa sana katika familia yetu. Jana jioni tulipokuwa tukishughulikia mambo hayo, gari ilipelekwa katika police station ambao ni police station ya Nakuru, Central Police Station, na kufika saa 11 gari hiyo imeondolewa, imerudishwa na mwenyewe.
OCPD wa Naikuru Joshua Omukata augite ati borithi no marathuthuria gikuo kia muruto ucio, akiuga ati wona mongania wira wa kuigana murutani ucio ni aguthitangwo.
An investigation to that effect has been opened. We've already recorded the statement of the driver of this car, and we are yet to get more information in regard to the expert's report from hospital and many other statements that will be relevant to this case.
Thaa imwe cia rucine muthenya wa ira thutha wa muruto Belvin Chelagat kuingira thukuru uyu wa muthingi wa Jamhuri kuhitukira kihingo giki gi thutha wakwa haria nde ihinda riri niho aratunganire na mutino wake thutha wa kuguthwo ni ngari ira ratwarithagio ni munyinyi wa murutani munene wa thukuru uyu. Guku nyina o hamwe na muruto ungi makigia na nguraro, aciari ake riu magiikia ikaya kuri ministry ya githomo gutigirira ati kihoto ni giakinyanira. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ndi guku kaunti ya Naikuru, njitagwo Simon Ngure.